a setback in the short term, but in the long run, we believe that the Supreme Court is going to validate the law.
A judge in Kankakee County ruled part of the Safety Act unconstitutional. Now counties are trying to figure out their next moves with only 2 days before cash bail is set to be eliminated. Good evening, I'm Jessica Coons. Jennifer is off tonight. We have team coverage on the Safety Act. Our Capitol Bureau Chief Cole Hankey is live in the Capitol for us tonight. Amanda Brennan with us in the studio. First to Cole, who does this apply to?
Well, this is pretty straightforward for the 65 counties involved in the lawsuit. They will not be eliminating cash bail on January 1st when the original law was set to go into effect. But there is a lot of confusion for the 37 counties in the state that weren't involved in the lawsuit. And here's what it comes down to. The judge in this case did not issue an injunction, meaning that these counties now have to decide for themselves whether or not they're going to follow through with eliminating cash bail on January 1st, or if they delay it and wait for a higher court to rule on this issue. Only 2/3 of counties will not eliminate cash bail on January 1st. A Kankakee County judge ruled in favor of state's attorneys, saying cash bail is a constitutional right in Illinois. It gives those counties the ammo they need to sidestep the new law, for now. Kankakee County State's Attorney Jim Rowe, a Democrat who led the case for state's attorneys, said in a statement, quote, "The people of Illinois deserve better than that, and today's verdict condemns the act for exactly what it is, unconstitutional." The state is appealing to the Illinois Supreme Court, and that ruling will be the final say on the matter. Supporters of the Safety Act, including the governor and the attorney general, are confident the Supreme Court will overturn this ruling.
Well, I mean, it's frustrating, but ultimately it's a setback that we believe will be rectified in the Supreme Court.
But the Supreme Court's ruling could come down well after the start of the new year. Until then, counties that aren't involved in the lawsuit are in limbo. They can either eliminate cash bail and move forward as scheduled, or they can choose to delay the implementation until after the court gives the final say.
It would be in not only the plaintiffs and the defendants' best interest, but also the people of the state of Illinois to begin this process over again.
The Supreme Court could also take preemptive action and give the entire state directions on how to proceed before the new ruling comes down. But so far, they have not given that order. Now, state's attorneys in this lawsuit are pointing to a part of the Constitution that guarantees bail by, quote, sufficient sureties. But a task force for the Supreme Court has already interpreted that part of the Constitution in the lead up to the Safety Act and said that that doesn't mean cash necessarily. So that'll play a big role in the Supreme Court's decision coming up on this topic. Reporting in Springfield, I'm Cole Hankey, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
Cole, thank you.